look like a huh? Damn, that don't even sound right. I just blew up. Damn. Oh, wow. That was so unnecessary. You did not have to swing it like that.
And going to Murano, that is the glass factory island. We're going to see a glass factory. It will be a bit hot inside, so be prepared. We'll see how the glass is made since centuries in Venice.
I got so hot down there. Buongiorno.
Give us some of that sea breeze.
I told you. Hey, my brothers. Look. Yeah. Texas. United States, baby. We in here. Hold on, don't hit the gas. I'm over here on Instagram. Hold on now. Glass factory. Fonzo, get up.
Entering the Murano glass factory. Let's do this.
This is the new Murano gallery, factory here.
They will let me make some glass. You never know.
So during the week he works with the team, his family team. This is one of the families from Murano Island because it's a co-op Murano, so there are other families around. His family produced from 5 generations of traditional glass chandeliers. 2000 Fahrenheit is the oven in front of you, so it's powered by gas in a compress. They own it on 24 hours, yes. 2000 Fahrenheit is the oven in front of you, so it's the glass blowing technique, which is the one that we're going to see now, is the first technique introduced in Murano back in 1295, so 1,000 years ago. Murano is the name of the island. That's the reason why the name of the glass is Murano. Because historically, back in the time, they started to produce in Venice, and it's because the houses used to get back quite often, they moved the communities into the island. So today, the name of the brand is Murano Glass. We just catch the glass from the oven, so right now it's just very, very hot to the glass. It looks like the consistency of like honey, you know? Very, very soft. Called silica. Silica sand. Yeah, this is the glass before the fusion. So let's see the second technique.
Second technique?
Yes, it's going to make a little horse by hand.
Oh, it's a pony. I'm a pony. I'm a pony. Oh, you in the game.
Very, very, very fast. He will
Very
let
fast?
you know. He will
Oh, okay.
So you can hold with your hand.
I got one blow? Right.
You have to go. Continuously.
Continuously? As fast as I can?
Otherwise, you know, they are bubble print.
Oh. He just did it.
Go, quick.
Vai, vai strong. Vai, go. Bravo, ancora. Bravo. Là là. Che sport.
I look like a
Complimenti.
huh? Damn, that don't even sound right. I just blew up. Damn. Oh, wow. That was so unnecessary. You did not have to swing it like that. Yeah, don't break. Go put that in there. Go break it. Oh man. Grazie. With all the famous glass in the world, we got here. That's a glass lava lamp, 10 bottles of cologne mashed together. We got here, which is a Marquette color vase. Then we got the blue Free Willy sculptor. We got a big ass red sperm cell. We need to get that for Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. Yeah, the initials are DTRJ. Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson. You know who that is?
Yeah, they are. They are.
What you do is, I saw him do it. What you do is, I saw him do it. You do this, and then I would pick you up and drop you. How much is this chandelier? Chandelier.
A lot.
A lot? Rob, get away from the chandelier, man.
A small one is running for 40,000 euros for a small one.
40,000 euros for a small chandelier? Less than this size? 40,000? Oh, so you just gonna sit next to the most expensive thing in the room? Oh, you got it like that? Okay. More than what you worth? If you came back and became Bill Gates? Yeah.
All these are your art.
Like we're saying, America, you're a talented motherfucker. So I see what y'all did. Y'all did all exotic ones, and then you got the basic American lamp.
Yeah.
Chandelier, right? Okay. Somebody else a freaky I don't know what kind of party they think this is. They out.